Hello, my name is Wes Zalewski. I work for ShredTech Corporation in Cambridge, Ontario. This is our head office. We have a few locations in US, in UK and Thailand. With Epicor, we are for over 6 years. We started with success working in 2017. However, I know John for over 20 years, since 2001, when we did original implementation of visual manufacturing. Before Epicor, which we implemented in 2018, beginning of 2018, we used visual manufacturing. Visual manufacturing at the time was not providing all the features for the ERP system. After some research, we found Epicor, which was a good fit for us. Epicor is a very flexible software. As our business grows, Epicor grows with us. We did not get all the modules at the original implementation. However, as we were growing and processes were growing, new processes were needed, we added new modules, which is very flexible, and we can expand at any time. ShredTech is a manufacturing business. We manufacture capital equipment. Our previous ERP software was not a good fit to our production. Expanding to Thailand and UK, we needed a software that would manage a few locations. After some research, we found Epicor as the best fit for our company. With the original implementation, which took us a bit over a year, Success Partners was helping us through the transition from visual manufacturing to Epicor. The implementation Success helps us significantly to improve the processes. The process was to select subjects from each department to learn Epicor during the time of implementation and pass on the knowledge to other departmental members, which was a good approach because we had our champions who, in case of a trouble, would be there to help and solve issues. Epicor provides education within the software where a new employee can start educating company and learn step by step how to use Epicor. Epicor is a flexible software and use it to build own configurators and reading the data from Epicor and configuring our codes for our stationary shredders. Overall, Epicor is a good fit to our company. Definitely, it improved our previous ERP software. It improved our operations after previous ERP software. The modules are well built for each department, starting from quoting to sales, to accounting and logistics, shipping, manufacturing on the way. It's very flexible. If you have a process that needs improving, you can build business process management, which is going to eliminate needless data entry or eliminate errors that user could make. Recently, we implemented Epicor in our UK location. It took us 2.5 months. It was quite aggressive, but we are live and you are operating, which is the most important of this implementation. It works well. Our inventory is managed well. Intercompany transactions are running for sending product between the two companies. ShredTech is growing very rapidly and Epicor is going to stay with ShredTech. As an example, advanced scheduling we are going to introduce and use to improve production. Our next step is to implement Epicor in Thailand, and all our locations are going to be using Epicor software to run the business. With the initial implementation, 6S helped us through our business process review. We spent a lot of hours going through each department, all the processes we have, marking it down and improving so we would use Epicor correctly and improve the time frames of the processes that we used, which was very, very helpful.